5 ways to stop your dog from eating poop. Improve your dog's diet to prevent nutritional deficiencies. Treat any medical issues promptly to discourage poop eating. Clean up poop immediately to remove the temptation. Train your dog to leave or drop the poop on command, using positive reinforcement and rewards. Provide mental and physical stimulation, giving your dog enough opportunities to exercise, play, and socialize. By following these tips, you can help your dog overcome this habit and enjoy a healthier and happier life.